What is going on, Lunatic Fringe? I hope everybody's having a great morning. My name is Bleeves. We are talking Luna Classic. There's information Do Kwon might be coming back from the dead, even though he's not dead. But it looks like there might be some developments here where Do Kwon has an opportunity to come back. We're not going to be talking about that today. We'll be talking about that tomorrow, but it is important news, so we're going to mention it. But we do have a Flash lender who is now available, and 2.2.1 has passed and is getting ready to go as an upgrade right now. So there's a lot going on in the background. However, we did have not a catastrophic sell-off, but a big sell-off last night. And it was not just Luna Classic, by the way. I'm going to show you the charts right now. It was the broader crypto market bringing down the prices. And I don't think that we're done. I think that there's more to come, more pain here. Now, this is going to be launching fairly early this morning. I want you guys to see it as early as possible because I think it's important. We did reach down into the value area low. Now, I'm going to zoom out here and you can see that we've been in this little range for a period of time. We've broken down to our previous point of control. So we're back into this range, but we did wick down into this spot right here. This means most likely this is a great buy opportunity. If you were lucky enough to catch this dip right here, then I'm going to recommend that you liquidate that at about 58.50 as you get back to the point of control right now. Take your profit and then use that profit if you're doing any futures trading, by the way, or anything like that, or you're just doing some chart trading or anything, take your profit at that point. Use that profit to buy yourself another long-term bag. Just accumulate a little bit more if that's what your goal is. If your goal is profit, then this is a profitable position for you right now, potentially. Now, when you're in the value area low, it could always break to the downside even further. Like I said before, I do think that there is some more downside. So I'm not telling you long-term hodl anything right now, but when we get this move down, we got a nice wick, which means that we're going to get a relief bounce. The relief bounce is likely to hit here, and then we'll probably break down from there. So, manage yourself as however you want, manage yourself. But we got a green dot printing down here on the on Lux Algo. So, it looks like it looks like we're in a buy zone or a potential buy zone. You can see the money flow is starting to move back into the positive. So it looks pretty good right now. It looks like this is the move right here, or this was the play. Ride it up a little bit, catch it to here, and then take your profit and then wait and see which direction it breaks to. It could break to the upside. I don't think so. Doesn't make sense for it to right now, but because of the broader market, not because of anything going on with LUNC, but it does look like we've got some upside right here for a short period of time on this downward trajectory, and then we're probably going to mint another low. Now, over here, we get the mint limiter being tested right here. It says it's passing right now, but this looks very, very close. So this, for those of you that don't know, you might want to get your opinion in. This is Prop 11767 right here. A lot of rejection of this. So without discussion, by the way, you can go check the discussion over. There is a link in here. So I've got the links hidden, but if you want to go check it out, you can check it out. But 2.2.1 is passing perfectly. And then we've got another one passing right here. Initiative to combat spam proposal by increasing the minimum amount to 5 million LUNC. 5 million LUNC turns it into about a $500 or at least a $300 proposal at this point for anybody to put up for any new proposals right now. So it won't stop everybody, but it will stop some people. And as you can see on this, there's some ridiculous sort of proposals that continue to come out constantly, including things like Luna airdrops, et cetera, that are just big no's. So yeah, we're gonna up that just a little bit. I think you should vote yes for that. If you, and I'm not telling you what to do, you make your own decision, but I'm gonna vote yes for this because it doesn't make any sense. Now, overall volume down 41% from a nice spike in volume, but again, the markets are just kind of bleeding overall. Let me take you back over here. You can look right here. About $12 billion came out of the market in the last few hours. So big move to the downside. USTC, same thing, really, just down 36% on the day, down 5% overall. The general market consensus there, just downward sort of pressure. Now, the good part is that you're in that value area low, like I said before, with Luna Classic. So it is entirely possible that you get a nice little break up to the upside here to the 12.3 area. before coming back down. I do still think that we are coming down. Nothing has changed about that fundamentally. Feels like we don't have a lot of momentum right now. Broader market, not Luna Classic. So manage your finances accordingly. But we did get the Luna Classic did pass a 2.2.1 core upgrade proposal. So we're going to get an upgrade to that. If you want to go look at it, you can go look at it and check out what the upgrade constitutes. Then you have White Whale DeFi, which has launched the whitewhale.money, and it will give you flash loans, and it is a swap for you to do trading. And they are looking for liquidity. So if you haven't provided liquidity, then now is your opportunity to provide liquidity, which of course is the staking process, which will allow you earn yield while people borrow. This is another function, another use, something that we've been looking for, been waiting for to come to the chain. So super excited about where that is. And then finally, a lot of positivity right now. A lot of people just kind of looking to see. The price is down, it must be said. But at the end of this, I don't think that people are that bearish about it, because I think people understand, look, this is going to start to move down. We're going to have some downward pressure. But at the end of this, then there's tremendous amounts of upside. So if you want to accumulate, you better accumulate now, because you may not get very many more chances. Now, when I say that, I am talking in the months range. I do think that we have some downward pressure through November. Maybe a little bit of pop, to kind of level us off. But again, down in December, because people are going to take their money for tax purposes. And then, January, I think we start a little bit of a reversal, even if the broader markets are not looking as great as possible. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again.